one coat of paint stripper on and got that cleaned off. Just put another coat on about 30 minutes ago, so it's ready to come off. We're actually using this citrus strip right here. Smells good, so that works for all of us. And then once we get that sprayed off here in a second with the pressure washer, we're going to clean it with some mineral spirits and some of the Scotch Brite pads, and see how it comes out. So here we go. The pressure washer broke, so now a lot of this, I'm going to speed it up a little because this is going to take a while. We got all the paint off. You can still see there's some adhesive or something still on here, this kind of yellowish color or whatever. But I think with little mineral spirits and the Scotch Brite, this is what it kind of turns into. So I think that looks pretty good. So now we got the rest of the body to do, and the bottom, get all that off, kind of make it look nice. And then we'll be ready to able to split the tanks, which is a feat in itself. So now we're going to take some odorous mineral spirits and Scotch Brite and see if we can do something with that. Do this little sliver and then we'll wipe it off so you have an idea what we're going to do, and then I'll do the rest in a little fast forward motion. It's hard to see if you missed anything until you wipe it off, so we think we're pretty good here. Let's give it a whirl. Look at there. So now you can kind of get an idea what we're gonna do there to all that. We have one little section left to finish, on the top half, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Then we'll flip the tank over and do the underside and go from there. So here's this last little section. The tank flipped upside down. Technically this is the top of the tank where it attaches. The hatch up there that we took off the other day is what attaches to the plane, but the way we're setting this up, we're going to use that on the bottom for support and everything else. So here it is. We're going to strip it down. Here's inside with the baffles. I'll show you all that later, right before we split the tanks. Actually very clean inside, so not too bad. So here's the plan. Well, we're finally all cleaned up, top and bottom. 99.9% of that yellow came off. We can do a few little spot cleans later. For the most part, looks really good. Good clean slate to start with. So after this, our next goal is to work on getting the baffles out of the inside of the tank and actually splitting the tank into two. A few options with that. Let me know if you have any ideas, but we do have this seam here. They're each about a 1/16 or so I can't use a conventional grinding wheel to cut it. I do have a Dremel with diamond that I'm going to try to get in and see if I can kind of split those. Worst case, we'll have to cut the tank along through there and make a new flange, but hopefully the Dremel will work. But we have a good starting point, so please subscribe to the channel, and we'll be posting some more stuff soon. I appreciate it.